Hello world, I'm Madeline Pond and welcome to another episode of Madeline Pond's Crypto Strategies. Today is January 1st, 2020, and we are kicking the day off with our 100-day COINPOT challenge. We've gone over the faucets, we've gone over a few wallets so far, all leading up to today's challenge, which we will start today. If you have not already done so, go ahead and check out madelinepond.com, where it does give not only blog posts with more detailed information on the overall strategy that I'm utilizing, as well as information on everything that we've gone over so far, as well as some items that we have not yet gone over in a video. So continuing on. Easiest way for me to access all of the faucets that we're going to be collecting from for the COINPOT challenge is just going to madelinepond.com. You can just type COINPOT and search, and it'll bring up my blog post. So this one was posted on December 19th. You can watch that review if you haven't seen it already. And here are our faucets. Again, we are utilizing the same email address that we signed up for COINPOT. So here we go. Remember that until you get the CAPTCHA, there are going to be pop-ups. So just stay patient. But until you get the CAPTCHA, until you solve the CAPTCHA, and until you see this reset, you won't see that you completed the collection from the faucet. So, as you can see here, claim amount, showing that 55 Satoshi has been added to my COINPOT account, and my balance is now 192 Satoshi. So when we started this morning, I've collected 3 times, maybe 4 today for my faucets, and it's been a pretty busy day. I haven't had much time to go through and collect them because life happens. I get that. So you just got to make time for this. You can do it from a laptop, you can do it from a tablet, you can do it from your mobile phone. I do it on the go. So there is Moon Bitcoin, and we went ahead and claimed that. So now we're going to move on to Moon Cash. We're going to claim from our faucet. Wait for my CAPTCHA. Claim. And there we go. Faucet claim successful. Gives you the breakdown. That's 2 knocked out already. Moving on to Moon Dash. As you can see, guys, this doesn't take a lot of time. If anything, it just takes the patience that you have because of all the pop-ups, and we're starting with 0 out of pocket. Moon Doge. Some of these that say that it's been 98 hours since we did the faucet video, since I last collected from those faucets. So that means that this morning, when I went in, I must not have waited for my CAPTCHA. So I didn't get credit. There's Moon Doge. Moonlight Coin. There you go. Here's a breakdown. Pretty straightforward, right? We're going to roll the dice in BitFun. And that is honestly just a way for when we went over this, we already know that the dice is not currently available. So we're just getting here for this purpose right here, to solve that CAPTCHA and get that credit. Only one more. And there's the breakdown of that last faucet claim. So now we're going to go to our dashboard in COINPOT. So just from today, I have 78 tokens, Bitcoin Core. As you can see, my breakdown here, my Bitcoin Cash, my Dash, my Litecoin, and my Dogecoin. You can see my breakdown of Faucet Collection for one day. If you have not collected yet today, go ahead and get on it. Get it started. You'll be done. Get it in, get it out, knock it out. One thing that I did also want to go ahead and go over a little bit more is the dashboard section of COINPOT. I know we didn't really go over it in great detail. I didn't want to bore you guys to death. Wanted you guys to get in there and get some hands-on time. But I did want to show you the options that you have. So when you click on each one of these coins and tokens, it's going to give you a history. So as you can see today, it shows I've earned 3 tokens for each faucet claim. So as you can see, we're earning. All done today. If you wanted to check out the information from any of the other coin summaries, you have the option to convert your Bitcoin. If you wanted to withdraw your Bitcoin, I'm going to do an upcoming video when I'm ready to withdraw. I would just go here. I would request the wallet address information. It gives you that breakdown here for the steps. You can just set it to the maximum amount, enter your password. You guessed it, another CAPTCHA to solve, and then withdraw. You have the option to monitor and then view recent Bitcoin Core payouts. So those dings that you're hearing in the background, those are my faucets telling me that it's been 5 minutes, so I can go back in and start to claim them again. Or I can let them build up a little bit more so I can keep compounding. If I wanted to deposit each one, you can click on here. Let's see. Let's go to Dash. You would want a Dash deposit address. You would just click generate deposit address and it's going to pop up and give you what your address is, and you can just hit the option to copy and it's going to copy it for you. That way you don't have to worry about typing the wrong thing or having a dyslexic moment, whatever the case may be. It's just copy and paste. And that's all that it's going to take on a daily basis. Just consistency with anything in life. If you want to succeed, it's just going to take being consistent at it. So just a reminder, I will continue to be posting videos for the 100-day COINPOT Challenge. I'd love some interaction here. So if you can let me know how you're doing, if you have any challenges, maybe I can help you out, problem solve a little bit for you. And in the meantime, again, head on over to madelinepond.com for blog posts, including the full review of these faucets, the COINPOT Challenge, as well as additional information that we haven't even gotten to yet if you wanted to work ahead. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll catch you next time and have a great day.